What's going on, guys? Straight to it. We are installing the bags today. Heading over to Nano's house now to wake him up. Need to run a few errands first and pick up a few things so I can finish this setup up. Pick up a few wires like power wire, remote wire, all that, blah blah blah. So I'll get back to you guys when I get back to you guys. Look who's back from fucking DR after 5 months. Came back to a new car, slammed like 2 days after. Stop being weird. Well, guys, here we are. Finally at, what time is it? Finally at it at 4:07. Let's get this show on the road. Nano's gonna do the electronics, I'm gonna do the struts. That's it.
Give it 2 hours.
2 hours? Definitely not. My #1 hater. Damn, what up, Dad? Yo, what you mean? Acura Honda Classics prep. Damn. Bro, I'm going? Huh? We going? Yeah, why not? So, putting Teflon on all the fittings. I already did the ones on the bags. I don't know why this is so satisfying to me. When you just get it right, twist. Yep, and then snap it off. Alright, so here's the setup. I'm gonna leave it like this for now. It looks kind of cool. Nano already ran the harness. All we have to do is put the struts on and run the airlines, and that's really it. Adjust height from there, and yeah.
Damn, that boy said shut the f up and race. Oh god. Something buddy posture. What the fuck? What the hell? Get on that. Oh god.
So I got the bag in. I just gotta take the backs out. I've been BSing. Gotta connect the. Oh snap! Hold up. Oh no! Oh wait, I'm an idiot. It's the lines right here. That one. It looks like it. But yeah, this one to here. I don't know where I'm gonna route that. I'm about to plug up my remote. Had to get the Flyyairr sticker on there. I don't know what happened to the eye. I don't know if it was supposed to be there or what, because it wasn't on the wrapper after, like it wasn't on the flat or. Alright, besides the fact that I'm really tired, I haven't slept in like 24 hours. I don't like electrical. I really don't. That's why I let Carlos take care of it. And he's so nitpicky with everything that there was like 2 wires showing. He's like, yeah, I don't like how it is. I'm tucking them, so he's tucking all the wires. These I can't tuck because it's for the compressor. Obviously, there's nowhere to go. But there's those right there. Even though you won't see them when the seat is up, he still didn't want them dangling around. So yeah.
Damn, this AC's cold as fuck.
Let me see that. Let me see that AC.
It's like a 1-2.
Damn. Pipe it up. Boy, Nano's finishing up the last line touches. I don't trust myself. He knows where to tuck these lines, so yeah, alright. Inside the back wheel's already on, so we're almost ready to go down. Guys, I'm so tired. I'm sorry. I mean, it's basically like a regular coilover install plus some wires. There you go. So you guys seen that before. I'm just so exhausted. Look who's here, and look what he bought. I can never get away from this thing.
Chris, how about now? I'm gonna buy
a fucking
Puget.
There we go. Now it's getting pressure. That's just it.
Whack ass song they got on.
Guys, the night comes to an end. This is just a quick video. Bagging my car, keep you guys in the loop. Give you something to watch if you're bored. I didn't go too in depth into it. Just wanted to get it done. Like I said, I haven't gotten sleep. Quick message. Shout out to Honda Junkies or One Shot J, my boy Jonathan. He sent me all of these different size, different color, custom, handmade camera straps. Literally, he has unlimited colors. He's gonna start selling them soon. The one I'm rocking with right now on my main camera is a Midori colored one, which I actually left at Chovan's house, at Nano's house. But shout out to you, Jonathan, my boy. Thank you so much. I'm gonna leave his Instagrams in the description below. And guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.